Uh, Very good evening, guys. In this lecture session, I am going to deliver my lecture on the topic CTBT. So, first of all, we are going to discuss what is CTBT. CTBT stands for Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Theory. So, what is it? It is a multilateral treaty between many countries for banning the testing of nuclear weapon, explosion of nuclear weapon for both civilian and military purposes in any environment. First of all, this treaty is proposed in uh, Geneva, and firstly it was accepted by United Nations in 1996. First of all, this treaty is signed open for signature and rectification after that United Nations signed it. Uh, Approx 183 countries have signed it, and among them, 163 countries are uh, of a rectification in this treaty. This treaty can only enter into force when uh, when uh, uh, some countries signed it or uh, suggest some rectification in it. Countries involving India, Israel, Iran, Pakistan, North Korea, and United Nations. If this all countries will sign it, then only this treaty can come into forces. Only North Korea has broken some norms and regulation of this treaty, so as it was several times condemned in United Nations Security Councils, and United Nations Security Councils has also imposed some sanctions on North Korea uh, uh, for regulating the this CTBT norms and regulations, rules and regulations. There is one organization, CTBTO, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Organization, Test Ban Treaty Organization, has been stabilized in Vienna. Now, secondly, we are going to discuss that how how India will react on this topic, on this treaty. So, India is not India is against this CTBT. Uh, so India is against this treaty because of following reason. First reason is that complete uh, nuclear disarmament. According to this treaty, some of the countries can keep the nuclear weapon with them, and some cannot. Some countries have to just give up the nuclear weapon immediately. So India want that the complete disarmament of nuclear weapon from all the countries within the time limit. But this treaty do not follow this condition. That's why India is not going to accept this treaty. Secondly, this treaty is discriminative. Why? Because according to this treaty, the permanent member of United Nations Security Council can have some marginality, that they can do test. They can do test of any nuclear weapon for civilian or civilian and military purposes. But those countries who are not not the part of United Nations Security Council permanent member, they can't do test for the development of technology. India is also not a part of United Nations Security Council, so this treaty will just only hinder the growth and development of the nuclear technology in India. Thirdly, that safety reasons. Safety reasons are like that China and Pakistan are both are the both are the both are the enemy of India, and India is on the brink of facing two front war. So and then Pakistan and China. Pakistan had not signed the treaty, and China is given for the rectification. If they both are not signing the treaty, then signing the treaty, India will also, if India will sign the treaty, then there will be a psychological pressure on the war, and it may happen that we will have to face some issues during the war time. Thank you very much.